Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for products by the help of an image on the Zara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the search icon down below, which is the second option. Then select image. Then tap on select image, tap on the relevant picture, and as you can see there are results that are similar to the image that you have uploaded. So you can easily search by the help of a simple picture if you would like to purchase a similar product to that depicted on your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.